People, now I have my last 3 videos to shoot and then I am free for the day. Oh my god, seriously. As of tomorrow, I'll start doing my ebook writing also. So that this also happens, that also happens. That will be good. So, it's like people, after this, I'm just waiting to watch this Crime Patrol episodes. As of yesterday, also, I was watching it because it is mind boggling, yeah, the kind of things that happen in the world. I think I don't read the newspaper like thing, but I think watching these crime series, it makes you aware of the kind of stuff that is happening in the world outside. So, so people, hats off Sony TV. I mean, Sony Set India, the app I've downloaded on my phone, because really amazing. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.